What's up, my girls, bros, and non-binary fellas? Today, we're once again playing demonology until I unlock the Rockstar Shotgun. And today, they added a new update. So there's a new ghost, new skins, they revamped Fedway Drives and Prison. And, yeah. I'm not sure if they added new perks yet. No, it didn't. Well, I did unlock something because I played with my siblings today, but they don't want to be on YouTube, so I didn't record. I did unlock +1 inventory slot, and if I'm lucky and level up today, I can unlock Holy Oil Burns twice. So, wait, let me just buy this. And, yeah. And, okay. Drop site, Juniper Road, Nightmare. Oh, there's also a new ghost type. I'm not sure if I already said that or not. Okay. Holy Oil, LDR, lighter, camera, salt. Oh, and I also unlocked a plushie today. Okay, so, let's start. Let me make sure I have my thing. Okay, and let's start. I really need to make different content, but I don't really have time to, because I also have to make these videos, and then I also have to try and make another video of a different game. Wait, I forgot completely that I need to get the cross. I'm a scaredy cat, so, okay. What is this? I don't know why it's invincible. Yeah, let me grab a, what's it called, photo camera. Drop it here at the entrance to get ready for when the cross burns, to take a picture. Oh, energy watch. Okay, nothing there. I don't like that most of the doors are already opened. Oh yeah, and good news, I finally learned how to put videos together, like edit, I guess. Not completely know how to edit, but close enough. And yesterday, some of the footage for some reason didn't show up on the recording. So, oh! EMF 3. Huh. Okay. So, sorry about that. And of course, give me that. Turn on the kitchen, the main rooms. Here. Oh, yeah. And this one right here. So far, I don't think there's ghost orbs. Not actually sure. I don't like the lights that are flashing. That scares me. Okay, now let me pick up this video camera. No ghost up there, no ghost over there, no there, no to there, no in here, and in there. What I do? EMF 3, EMF 5. You also take damage from the glass breaking. Okay, so there's the EMF 5. We gotta circle that and cross out ghost orb. I'm gonna just turn that off. That's annoying. Okay, so EMF 5, no ghost orbs. Okay, so let's see. Ow. Okay, let's see if there's okay, so it's not a hunt. Oh, look at that, it burned. Did it just throw it? Nah! It burned. Okay, so let's see. Oh, there's 12 Celsius in the kitchen. I think that's the ghost room. I'm a scaredy cat, so, yeah, I ain't gonna test it out. and go check the other rooms. Because both of my crosses already burned. Yay! Oh! EMF reader. EMF. Wait, why do I have that? I already know there's EMF 5. Okay, I'm kind of a scaredy cat. So, I'm gonna try and... Well, I'm not a scaredy cat. I guess I am. And also, I don't want to waste pictures. So, I'm not gonna try and take a picture of the ghost. Unless it's one of the objectives. Not... I guess I can drop the EMF reader. Ow. Why did it have to be right here? Just had to be. Had to. Okay, where's my salt? Ow. I don't like that. Hold on, let me grab that. Ow. Get up. Ah! No, don't kill me! I mean, I'm glad I didn't die. I'm in the closet! Oh. Yeah, why is it like that? Hold on. Oh my! I hate this game. I hate it! And the hunt isn't even over. Come on! It's over? Yes, it is. It indeed is. So, right there. Right here. Ow! Come on, please. Yes, disturb salt. Okay, let's see here. Where is it? That black light. No. Oh! I swear I'm gonna crash out because of this. Discover the location of the ghost using... And of course, get a picture of the ghost using... And of course, I just had to throw my thermometer. I'm scared. Oh yeah. And there's no... Wait, is there? Yeah, there's no print. I'm gonna crash out because of this glass. Did that count? Hey, let's go. Man, why can't I delete it? Help me. Help. Ow. I hate this game. Wait a minute. Disturb salt. Where's the photos? Ah, here it is. Okay, so I have that disturb salt. And the disturb salt right there. So I think I need to get the middle one. Of course. And I hate this. If this pokes me one more time, I'm gonna crash out. Of course. So it's a male skin, so it can't be a siren. I hate this game. And of course this isn't over. I crouched. Of course. I thought I disabled. I'm gonna drop the CMF reader here. I'm gonna crash out because of it. I am so mad. Okay. There was even broken glass! I swear I'm taking damage for no reason. Let's see. There we go. Oops. This ghost is going on frequent hunts. I think it's a revenant. Because revenants have a low cooldown. Where's the revenant? Revenant. Ah, here it is. Revenants have a low hunt cooldown. They will rest if they've killed someone. And it's... yeah, so I'm thinking it's a revenant so far. Ow. California girls, where I'm getting... well, I don't want to get copyrighted. Oh, that's where my thermometer is. Give me that. 0.01 Celsius. Yeah, I think it's safe to say there's no freezing temps. It went from 0.01 all the way to 2 Celsius. So, yeah. Ravager, is that the new one? Inscription is now, the ghostwriting is now inscription. That's weird. I think the Ravager is the new one. Wait, let me see. Ghost types. Where's that? Oh, second page. A Vesper, I think this is the new one. I mean, I'm pretty sure there's two. Vespers rely solely on sound to hunt. They can track through walls. So if I move, it should be coming over here. Or like if I step on glass. Or I use this. It should be coming over here, I guess. Now where's that? Where are those flowers? Like, are those the flowers over there? I can't honestly tell. Did I put the camera in? Yeah, I did, but... okay, I'm gonna drop the ODR scanner now. Ow! I hate it. I hate it. Jeez. Did it just go through a wall? Yeah, it definitely goes through walls. And it keeps coming over here when I move. So I'm starting to think it's a, what's it called? I forgot what it's called. A Vesper. Vespers have prints. But there's no prints. Wait, why did I even look at Vesper? I'm not even sure why. Oswong and Ravager. Oswong. Ravager. Ravager is a new one. A Ravager is a violent manifestation that uses the environment as a weapon. Ravagers announce themselves through destruction, overturned furniture, thrown objects, and suddenly bursts of chaotic movements. Ravager can throw multiple actions once all abilities leave EMF level 5. Ow. Wait. Just want to see if this works. Spear box. I think it may be a Ravager. It's either a Wraith or a Ravager. Let's see, what do Wraiths have? Wraith. Where is it? I think it's on the second page. Oh, here we go. Wraiths can deplete energy quick from hunters. They refuse to disturb lines of salt. Well, it disturbed the salt. So we know it's a Ravager now. Ravager? Yeah, Ravager. Okay, so I'm money hungry. So I'm gonna go into the closet and get some more salt. There's withering. There's rusting too. No, hide. What? There's rusting. So it's a siren? But it's a male skin. I mean, I guess it did reply in a girl's voice. But, jeez. Whatever. I'm money hungry. So, yeah. As soon as this ends, I'm gonna go in the closet really quick and place down the extra salt that's in there. Okay. Ow. I swear if it starts to hunt. I'm scared. I don't know why I dropped it. Help me. Let me hide. I'm scared. Help. I don't like that I dropped it. Wait, let me hide. I hid at the perfect time. Wait, since there's rusting. Can I take a picture of that? I'm not actually sure. Ooh. Where did I throw my flower pot? Oh wait, it walked through the salt. Oh wait, it's still on the hunt, I forgot. So I think that one's a new one. Maybe this one right there. Actually, wait, is that over? I can't tell. Yeah, it's over. Is that a hunt? Did I saw another hunt? Those flashing lights. Let me leave. Okay. Yeah, whatever. I'll place some more salt down. I don't actually care. Woohoo! Well, we know where it is now. It's a siren. I almost forgot to mark it. Well, we know it's a siren now. Woohoo! I am so happy. Woohoo! I'm so happy. Yeah, okay. 474 bucks. Jeez, that's a lot. Well, that's it for today. Hope you guys have a good day. Wonderful day. Please like and subscribe. And maybe watch this video again. Share it with friends, family. I want to get revenue from these videos, but I can't unless I meet the what's it called? The quota, I forgot. I have to meet the expectation of something to get revenue, and I don't have that right now. So please subscribe, like, share this video with friends, family. Rewatch it. I really need revenue from this. Thank you for listening and watching my video. Goodbye.